Hello friends, Santosh here. Friends, yesterday we discussed about Indus Valley Civilization trade and commerce, in which we discussed Indus Valley Civilization import export items, transport system, about monetary system and its measurement system. Okay, today my topic is Indus Valley Civilization art and culture. Okay, first we discuss what is the meaning of art and culture. Okay, art and culture. Culture means set of shared attitude, values, goals and practice that define a group of people such as the people of an particular region. And art is a vast subdivision of culture composed of many creativity, endures and discipline. The arts encompasses visual arts, literary arts and the performing arts. Okay, here are some points which gives all information about art and culture. Okay, first one, architecture. It's are two types: religion, non-religion. In religion, evidence is great bath. In non-religion, nagar, house, docket, etc. Okay, second point, sculpture. In sculpture, there are two types: religious and non-religious. Okay, here are stone sculpture, clay sculpture, metal sculpture, painted pottery, etc. etc. Okay, in third point, painting. Painting are two types: general and cave. Okay, now fourth point, dancing and music. Okay, evidence is dancing girl figure. Second point, drums on terracotta figures, arched or bow shaped herb. Next, pictographs on the seals. Okay, last one is literature. Indus writing has been found on seals and seal imprisoned pottery, bronze tools, stoneware, bangles, bone seals, ivory and on small tablet made of statite, bronze and copper. Okay, first one, architecture. Okay, architecture are both types, religion and non-religion. From Mohenjo-daro, evidence of Great Bath. It is a religion evidences. Okay, at non-religion level, evidence of nagar, houses, dock-yard, drainage system, courtyard, fortified system, etc. We get from Indus Valley civilization. Okay. Okay, sculpture. Sculpture are both types, religious and non-religious. At religious level, we get evidences of mother goddess sculpture. Okay, at non-religious level, we get terracotta sculpture, stone sculpture, metal sculpture and painted pottery. Okay, now we discuss meaning of terracotta sculpture. Okay, terracotta sculpture. There are plenty of terracotta seals and figurines recovered from Harappan sites which range from toys to cult objects such as mother goddess to the birds and animals including monkeys, dogs, sheep, cattle, both humped and humpless bulls. Okay. Now, Mother Goddess is the most important terracotta figure in the Indus Valley civilization. This figure is crude standing female adorned with a necklace hanging over a prominent breast and wearing a loin cloth and a girdle. Stone sculpture. Okay, in stone sculpture, the two most discussed male figures are male torso and the beard priest. Okay, first one, male torso. Male torso is a red sand tone figure which has socket holes in the neck and the shoulders for the attachment of head and arms. Okay, next, beard priest. It is a statite figure of the beard man interpreted as a priest or a priest king is dropped in a shawl coming under the right arm and covering the left shoulder. His shawl is decorated with terrafoil patterns. His eyes are little elongated and half closed in a meditation. Okay, shawl on the shoulder of beard priest indicate that the handicraft of the embroidery was commonly practiced in Indus Valley civilization. Metal sculptures. Okay, Metal sculpture in a context with the Indus Valley is the dancing girl. Metal casting was popular at all the major centers of Indus Valley civilization. For example, the copper dog and bird of Lothal and bird from Lothal, bull from Kalibangan, and the human figure of copper and bronze from Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Okay, dancing girl. This is one of the best sculpture from the Indus Valley civilization. It is a 4-inch high copper figure found in Mohenjo-daro. Okay, lost wax technique. Okay, bronze casting was a widespread practice during the Indus Valley civilization, particularly at Harappa. Bronze statues were made by the lost wax technique. Okay, painting. Paintings are two types, general and cave paintings. But in Indus Valley civilization, there are no general and cave paintings. We found terracotta statues executed from Indus Valley civilization which have red painta on them. There was some evidences on priest king statue as well. So archaeologists have reconstructed priest king statue with color. Okay, next one is dance and music. Dancing and music evidence we get from terracotta figures and pictography on the seals. For example, bow-shaped harp, varieties of drum on terracotta figures. Okay, now we discuss in brief. It is evident from the presence of some musical instruments such as the arced or bow-shaped harp, few varieties of drum on terracotta figures and pictography on the seals. The dancing girl figurine is a testimonial to the presence of music and dance in the Indus Valley civilization. Music was present in Indus Valley civilization, but what kind of music or dance forms prevalent that time we have no idea. Literature evidence we get from, for example, from seals, poetry, stone are bangles, small tablet made of statite on bronze and copper plates. Okay, but they are not readable and written from right to left. Okay friends, thank you very much for seeing my videos. If you like my videos, give a like, comment and subscribe my channel. Okay friends, see you again in my next video. Okay, bye bye.